plastic one here, but a little bit of paint on there.
I'm on the sound, hoodie season, back around, no more summer bounce, little squeeze out, see the indoors when we're throwing down, oversized jumper with the underwear out. I'm on the sound, hoodie season, back around, no more summer bounce, little squeeze out, see the indoors when we're throwing down, oversized jumper with the underwear out. Like the women everything to the table, bro, I'm not your son, see I'm able, I do my own bits, limited edition, some missing classic shit, I know that you're feeling it. First time, I'm proud of my selfish decisions. A couple people did me dirty, but I'm clean. Ain't even mad, karma is a B. We all do bad things when it comes back, it bites up. I'm on the sound, hoodie season, back around. No more summer bounce, let you squeeze out. Keep that indoors when we're throwing down. Oversized jumper with our underwear out. I'm on the sound, hoodie season, back around. No more summer bounce, let you squeeze out. Keep that indoors when we're throwing down. Oversized jumper with our underwear out. The heat's coming from a fires, I'd fire to my words. We're the worst every time, yeah, that we roll. So you know how it goes. All my favorite secrets, you like to keep close. And if you don't, then you don't. You feel well or you won't. If you know, then you know. And if you don't, then you don't. You feel well or you won't. It's a nut, cause I'm on the sound, hoodie season, back around. No more summer bounce, little squeeze out. See the indoors when we're throwing down. Oversized jumper with our underwear out. I'm on the sound, hoodie season, back around, no more summer bounce, little squeeze out, see the indoors when we're throwing down, oversized jumper with our underwear out. I'm on the sound, hoodie season,
Super fun.
keep the indoors when we're throwing down. I'm on the sound, hoodie season,
Really good.
keep the indoors when we're throwing down. I'm on the sound, hoodie season, back around, no more summer bounce, little squeeze out, see the indoors when we're throwing down, oversized jumper with our underwear out. I'm on the sound, hoodie season, back around, no more summer bounce, little squeeze out, see the indoors when we're throwing down, oversized jumper with our underwear out.
We got black,
I'ma keep winning,
which will match the
I'ma keep winning.
thing real well.
I'ma keep winning.
We got sparkly strip of sweat blue here. I don't know, the blue is off.
What I supplied is always in demand. The throne is mine, take that. And then a high five got the upper hand. I'm too real, can't fake that. Who you know put a fear in them like this? You a vampire, still suck when you bite this. Lord forgive me for my sins, I'm feeling righteous. But they've been next to me to show me I might just. They didn't think I could do it, I had to demonstrate how the flow is so heavenly, keeping demons straight. Who they fooling? I showed them the jig is up again. When I asked them who was the best, they get this stuttering. Tell them
I'ma keep winning. I'ma keep winning. I'ma keep winning. You can try to save yourself, but you only gon' play yourself. You can try to save yourself, but you only gon' play yourself. You can try to save yourself, but you only gon' play yourself. You can try to save yourself, but you only gon' play yourself.
I came this far, nothing can't stop me now. They knock me down, but they can't count me out. I can't lose, I won't lose. I can't lose, I won't lose. Hold up, save yourself. I think it's best you run away. I won't let you finish. You came for me, you played yourself. You scream for help. It's a shame that nobody was with. No pain, no gain. Watch who you bang with. Make a team tie with the same ones I came with. I shoot my shot, you better know that I'ma never miss. When they coming for me, yeah, I'm gonna tell them this.
I'ma keep winning. I'ma keep winning. I'ma keep winning. She told me up because I love. Then I eat that bar like it's a setup. Pussy tripping down on this legs. They don't want the silence. Every move is sees noise. They looking at me, choosing violence. Keep it on the low. You know that's the core. Okay, baby.
All right, we got everything on. We got the mirrors on, the light, the little finger pad for the turn signals. We got the rear light mounted, and I'll show you how I did it. It's just a socket. I think it's a 13/16 something like that. I just screw it with a washer into the bottom of the seat, and then there's your brake light and turn signal there. So seems to work really good on the other bike. So I did take that thing off the bottom, and I have driven it, and wow, I'm really impressed. It pulls really hard from probably, I don't know, 3/4 throttle up. I mean, it's nice. I like it, and I think it does right around 55, 60 miles an hour. I was really impressed. Whatever we did this time, probably the bigger hoses, got rid of that super restrictive gas tank, made a huge difference. These hoses move a lot more volume of fuel and air for the venting and for the intake, plus the pump. I actually had to, I think, richen up the bottom end now. It's breathing better, so I think a 40 Pilot would probably be best now. I'm running a 38, and she was a little lean, so I try to take it up with the screw, you know, the mixture screw. And if I can't, then I'll put a 40 in it. So. So there she is. With her mirrors on and everything. Looks kind of goofy, but man, it's gonna work real good. I think these mirrors look pretty dope.